At Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about our stunning Eternity Engineered Wood range. Available in 5 decors ranging from the modern Oxford Grey to the rustic Cognac, the Eternity range is the perfect real wood choice to enhance your space. The range is 14mm thick with a 3mm real wood top layer. This construction makes the flooring amazing at retaining heat and reducing sound in your home. It's compatible with underfloor heating systems and provides an unbelievable comfort underfoot. You can rest assured too with a 25-year residential warranty. The tongue and groove fitting system also makes fitting nice and simple. Each pack contains random length boards, so ensure that you disperse the smaller and longer boards when laying. Align the long joint and engage using a tapping block if required. For the next board, engage the long joint, bringing the shorter joint as close to the adjoining board as possible. Use a tapping block and engage the short joint. The Eternity range is perfect if you want the feeling of real wood beneath your feet without the cost of solid wood flooring. With 5 beautiful decors to choose from and all the benefits of real wood flooring, the Eternity range provides a first-class finish at a vastly reduced cost. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.